Now we will take you to the dam from which the water is being directed, from where it is directed to this pool. So we take a journey. Well, I'm blocking all the water, but the water I'm blocking is not the river. It is hot water. The hot water spring is coming up. I built a dam around it. That's it. But that is the dam. See there? The water is coming at 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Geothermal spring, one of the most important springs on the planet. Without this, I don't know what we would do here. Very little we know about healing. We never been shown healing. I used to go to herbalists. Oh yeah, many herbalists, they didn't heal me. But I went to someone that understood the process. And the first thing he did was to introduce me to these waters. Geothermal springs are the most important spring in reference to water on the planet. This is it. These waters are essential in the healing process of this Usha village in Honduras. Why are they so important? Well, because water, again, is what we are made of 78%. Liquid, fluid. So if our bodies are 78% fluid, then our diet should be 78% fluid. People come here because of skin cancer, arthritis. They come here with pernoclosis. They come here with muscular dystrophy. They come here with all manifestation of disease. And these waters are able to remove and to reverse the condition all by itself. How could a water have so much power or energy? Well, the pH of this water determines the strength and its efficacy. The pH of these waters are 9.6. Besides having such a high level of oxygen, we find that these waters has presently in it sulfur. We use this water alone to create the environment of vaporizing around you. You inhale that vapor, but the vapor that you're inhaling is sulfur, phosphorus, and iron. Unlike saunas in a city, which has 200 chemicals and chlorine, this one has no carcinogens. Pure from the mountain to this faucet. And from this faucet to your lungs and to your muscles. I could take that to the village.